Alright, to make a notation on your logs, you go to the hours of service menu and then you select your logs here. If you stop to get fuel, you can select this on duty button and then just scroll down and you can type in fuel and hit save. You don't have to enter in the amount of fuel or anything like that. This is just to satisfy DOT regulations. You can do the same if you have a DOT inspection or if you have a vehicle breakdown. So again, from the dashboard, you hit hours of service and then you use the logs tab here and you can select on duty and enter in whatever notation you need and hit save. And that's the way to go about making the notations.